this a miracle just happened. So this doesn't usually happen, but I just went into a lobby and I found a guy who was a subscriber to my channel. And it's a miracle because I don't usually find my subscribers, and I don't usually find them in public lobbies, but today that happened. So, what's your name?
The Fridge or Nicholas. The Fridge, my nickname. Nicholas, my real name.
Big shout out to the Fridge Nicholas for being a fan. So, yeah. Are you crying?
Almost.
What the? No, it's okay. It's okay. Bruh. My man's crying. Yo, bro. Oh my god. Bro, he must be a big fan for doing that, bro. Oh my god. What the? You know what? That's it. Since you're a big fan, I'm changing to your avatar. I can't change to the 4-leaf clover, so I don't have it, but I have everything else. Alright, so this is my fan. What's your color code?
Color code?
Yeah.
Red 0.
Okay, red 0.
Green 7.
Okay.
And blue 9.
709. Okay. Then let me see your name. Okay, I can't really see your name. Let me see your name. Okay. Okay, I finally got it. Wait, what? Okay, you know what? This is going to make you even happier. You might even cry, but have you ever wanted to be friends with a YouTuber? Friend me. What is your Oculus username?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, what's your Oculus? Mine's Doritos, but there's like a million Doritos.
What is your username? And just spell it.
Mine is the G-O-R-I-T-O-S, but there's like a million of them.
Doritos?
Yeah, but there's like a million people named Doritos.
Okay. Okay, wait. So, how do you spell Doritos once again?
D-O-R-I-T-O.
S?
Yeah.
Okay, just tell me, what's your profile?
It's a cat's looking out a window.
Cats
It's 3 cats looking out a window.
Okay, I'm gonna try to find you.
Wait, what's your username?
So, are you sure there's 3 cats? Okay. Alright guys, so you're gonna know that I friended him. Alright guys.
Wait, what's your user?
Okay, I'll tell you.